Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel with Clem Browns. Today we are looking at two positions in the category of product design and graphic design from companies that are hiring internationally. So the first company is called Binance, and Binance is actually one of the world leaders in the field of cryptocurrency. So are you looking to be a part of the most influential company in the blockchain industry and contribute to the cryptocurrency revolution that is changing the world? Well, as part of their product and design game planner, you'll be responsible for the design of various systems, building and designs according to the types and objectives of the project, responsible for planning of the games, including game designs, mechanics, strategies, operating strategies, responsible for the follow-up after the game goes live online, and continuous improvement of the game core basics, systems, function, and script. So for you to succeed in this position, you need to have at least 2 years of game planning work experience, and participating in a project from 0 to 1 experience is preferred. Rich gaming experience and sufficient enthusiasm for the gaming industry, strong logical thinking ability, familiar with the structure and design of game system components, and self-drive, good at communication and strong team ability. Working at Binance gives you the opportunity to work in a fast-moving, challenging, and unique environment where you can solve business problems, international work environment and flat organization, great career development opportunities in a growing company, possibility to relocate and international transfers mid-career, competitive salary, and as well the ability to work in a field that is meaningful. So to apply for this job, simply click on apply for this job button here. Here you'll be prompted to apply either with your LinkedIn profile or uploading your resume, CV, your full name, your email address, including your phone number, where you currently work, and including your cover letter, and then submit your application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, drop in the comments below what is your skills category so that my team and I can keep sharing with you these amazing online work resources. Take care and see you in the next job video. Sorry about that, you guys. I actually forgot that I mentioned that we will be looking at 2 jobs. So here is the other opportunity. So the company called Quora is looking for a product designer for their ads. Now, Quora is one of the leading companies where people basically go online and ask questions about different topics that they want to know about. So if you want to say, let's say, for example, where can I, buy, authentic African clothing, or, when is Christmas this year? And then you type Quora, and you will see that a lot of people have, answered these questions. So it's kind of like an online forum platform that is very, very popular. So about the team, designing a global ecosystem for knowledge sharing and a platform for business to reach this audience requires a multidisciplinary approach. We are building a diverse team with people of different backgrounds and experiences, empowered to shape strategy while moving quickly and learning as much as possible. Designers at Quora are building a system to democratize access to all knowledge to the entire world. Our work leverages what we mean about psychological and social dynamics, communities and networks, and systems and policy designs, in addition to more typical design skills. Product design plays a significant role in impacting product strategy directly. Now, about the role, we are seeking a designer who is excited to engage with our business strategy and goals, as well as building the product to achieve those goals. You will design advertising products while collaborating closely with peers from product, sales, marketing, data science, and engineering. They have a list of the different responsibilities, like what your day-to-day will look like, and minimum qualifications include ability to be available for meetings and impromptu communication during Quora's coordination hours. So that will be Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Pacific Standard Time. PST is basically 3 hours away from Dominica time, like generally in the Caribbean. That's like California and so forth. All right, you need to have a portfolio demonstrating your digital design abilities across apps and other platforms, showcasing effective interaction design and strong visual design. You need to show experience designing complex products, design and ship product features from scratch, and ability to reason at a strategic level about a complex social product and update perspective with new learning. They also have a list of preferred qualifications. Always remember that preferred qualifications do not mean that you need to have them, but if you do have them, then it gives you the edge over another applicant. Additional information, they give you a salary range for people based in Colorado, in New Jersey, but they don't have a salary range for people based internationally, which means that's something that you can discuss during the interview. To apply for this job, you can either apply by LinkedIn or apply, through LinkedIn rather, or include your first and last name. email address, phone number, the city where you are located, upload your resume, your cover letter, and answer a few application questions and click on submit application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye.